Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to do a review video on this Olight. This one's called the ArkPro flashlight. Check it out. It looks pretty cool. I'm going to do an unboxing and a review video checking it out. And I'll put some links in the description if you want to purchase one. Alright, so this is the unboxing. Overall, it looks like a nice quality product. I'm going to take it out of the box. Nice box. This is what the product looks like. Turn my little dum-dum radio down a little bit. If you guys think this is cool, I just think these things are really neat. If you think these are cool, I'll put a link in the description to where you can purchase one of these. I love having one of these playing. They take a little micro SD or yeah, I think it's a nano or micro SD card, and you can just play continuous dum-dum elevator music or Christmas music or whatever. They're just so cute. If you like that, I'll put a link to that in the description as well. But back to the light. This is the light, guys. It's pretty heavy. It's got some weight to it. Feels like quality. So there's the light. Little case and rethink light, reimagine style. All right, so this is the charge cord. I just thought that this charge cord was really nice accessory. As you can see, it's just your regular USB on this end. But on this end, it's like a magnetic. And it's really cool because you can put it down. I don't know if you can see that on the video. Yep, you put it down and then snap. It snaps right on there. Magnetic. Like so. And then you can charge. You do have to buy your own charge brick for the other end. The paperwork, I usually don't look at this stuff too much, but it's got instructions, warranty, stuff like that. If you're interested, well, if you're interested, check that out. And then got a cool little card. This looks like a playing card, but that's kind of neat. Olight ArkPro. There you go. The Olight ArkPro. Bam. What do you guys think so far? Put in the comments. What do you think about this build quality? I think overall it looks really good, really quality. So let's do some checking it out, testing it out, and see. So as you can see right here on the front, it's like there's a push button, but then there's also a turning knob here where you can turn the knob. You can put it on the first part, second and third. So let's try out those three different light functions. The first one right here, turn it on. It's like it's gonna be like a blue light. I don't know if you can see that, but that's more of like a blue light. Okay, and then if we turn this knob, it's gonna go to the bright white. This is like a wide spectrum bright white. And then if we turn it to the third, you can see the difference here. It's more of like a pinpoint. Focused beam, I would call that. Blue, wide beam, focus beam. Those are your three settings. And that's also pretty cool how it shows you the charge on it. When you turn it, it shows you how much charge it has left. I like that. Good feature. So it's kind of bright right now in most of my house. I thought I'd do a little test here in the closet. In the dark closet, show you guys a test. So we're going to put it on the blue light feature. There you go. You can see the blue light. That's cool. Let's switch it to the wide beam. There we go. Lights up the whole garage. I mean closet. Lights up my whole my clothing garage. And then third one, more of like a pinpoint spotlight, we'll call it. So there you go. I like the feel of it in the hand. It's got some weight to it. Feels like it's quality. I wanted to check and see how much this actually weighed. It looks like it's about 4.1 ounces, which is about the exact same as my old iPhone, the iPhone 5S. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's a USB-C charge port also on the side here. And I'm thinking that is for just regular charging with USB-C. So let's check that out. Got just a USB-C charger here. And yes, we are charging that way. So if you don't want to charge with the magnetic charger on the bottom, you can also just plug in right there on the side. That's useful, I guess, if you want, you have two different charging options. Okay, so I was looking on the website, and this is the one that I got, the ArkPro Lite. And I will link in the description of this video, I will link to the website and also to where you can buy this flashlight. If I have any coupon codes, I will put them in the description. But this is the website. I will put some of this information in the video description. Here are some of the specs on this flashlight. And the one thing I was looking at was how long of a battery life they say it has. And they say it's 14 days. That's pretty good. Now, I don't know if that's continuous use or what, but it also does have some waterproofing. That's cool. And then, like I said, you can subscribe and get a 10% off. If I have a code for that, I'll just link it in the description of the video. But overall, do I recommend this flashlight? Yes, I do. It's a lot better than the cheapy ones that you get from the dollar store, which I seem to always get and they always break on me. However, this does have a lot higher price tag. I understand that, but if you want something quality, maybe you could try it. And I forgot to mention, what does this button on the side do? Check this out, guys. That's a laser light. A laser. Pretty neat. I don't usually use laser lights, and also be careful with it. Obviously, do not shine it into somebody's window or into somebody's eyes. But that's a whole nother feature that this has, is the laser light. So that is the Olight ArkPro flashlight. I give it a 5 out of 5 stars. Obviously, I haven't used it long term, but after using this for about a year, I will maybe do an update video. So if you're watching down the line, look for the update video on the channel. If you made it this far in the video, go ahead and comment your thoughts below. Go ahead and comment in all caps, "I'm here." That way I know that you made it to the end of the video. Also, if you give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, it helps us out for making future videos. We are going for 20,000 subscribers coming up soon, Lord willing. And we're almost there. So God bless you guys. Stay tuned to the channel for more videos, and I'll see you on the next one.